Hey guys, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be going over what I got in my Lookfantastic beauty box for January of 2022. Also, I'm going to take it back all the way to last year and show you what I got in my Lookfantastic box for December of 2021, because I literally just got it. They shipped it out like middle of December and I literally just got it like 3 days ago, and then I got this like today because, well, shipping was really crazy with the snow. This actually comes from the UK, and you know, shipping has just been kind of crazy lately, okay, everywhere. But I'm really excited to get into the video. I will have my code down below so you can save some money signing up for the subscription and all of that jazz. So if you're into these, why did I do that? If you're into these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler unboxing gal. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start out with January's box first, shall we? Super excited as always. Let's see, we have our book gonna tell us about the products and stuff. We got some good products in here, and yeah, okay, let's get started. Oh, we have a new kind of paper in here. This looks like a shredded tax document. It's not really, it's white, but it's like different than normal. Okay, so the first product in here is from the brand. Oh gosh, they're sticking to me. Oh no. Let me just set this down. Okay, first product is from the brand Skin Chemists. Here is the packaging. It's a rose quartz lip plump. It has peppermint oil in it and mica. This sounds interesting. Ooh, packaging again. Love. It's plumping. Okay, lip plump. I'm gonna try it on. Oh. Yep. It's kind of like the Too Faced lip injection. It definitely stings the lips a little bit. So I don't recommend using this with chapped lips. But just know that there's a little bit of a sting there. Just a little one. Okay, great. Love that. Actually, I do love that. So I can't wait to keep using that, because it's not as bad as the Too Faced lip injection, because that one makes me cry. Okay. Next up we have the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Okay, here we go. Packaging. So it has lavender and wild chamomile in here. You spray a fine mist over your pillow for relaxing slumber. I'm gonna do this tonight. What does it smell like? Oh, it smells really good. Okay, gonna spray that on my pillow tonight. Very, very excited about that. Let's see. Next up, from Bloom and Blossom, a really good brand. This is an anti-age hand cream. Okay, it has shea butter and ylang ylang in it. Massage into the hands as and when needed throughout the day, paying particular attention to the backs of your hand. My hands are cracked. Okay, so I definitely need this. So love that. Smells so good. It smells like some sort of candy. I can't think of which one, but it smells like some kind of candy that I would get for Halloween. That's what it smells like. Next up, from HUDA, the mineral conditioner. I've recently given this brand a chance again, and I actually am enjoying the products. It has aloe vera and chamomile in it, and you apply to wet hair and lather or rinse off thoroughly. So I will give this a go in my shower. Next up, let me turn the page wherever the rest of these products are going to be. Oh, next month we're getting the Pixie Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner next month. That'll be exciting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the rest of the products? box? I don't know. Anyways, so here we have Lavender Tea Body Wash. That sounds great. Let the feelings of this calm, moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. A bespoke blended fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extract to soothe your skin and relax your mind. Clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. This is from the brand Bubble Tea. Really good brand. Very excited to have this in my shower as well. And it looks like we have one more product from the brand Polar, and this is the Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream with Arctic Flowers. Love that. Okay, so that is everything that came in January's. I say that was a great box. Very, very happy with it. So now let's get into the past a little bit and see what came in December's. Okay, so we have a sleep mask. I love sleep masks. So this is from Glove, the satin sleep mask, and I'm actually really excited to add this to my collection of sleep masks because I gotta have it, and I think that this gold is super cute, so I'm actually really happy about this. It doesn't appear that I got a booklet. Did I get a booklet and set it somewhere? I thought I literally saw a booklet. Maybe not. Anyways, next up we have this product that looks crazy. The Hollywood Browser Hair Removal and Dermaplating Tool shapes eyebrows, removes peach fuzz, and removes hair and exfoliates. Oh, I love these. I do this all the time with my face. Hold on, let me show you what I currently use. I use these kind of razors for my face, so I can't wait to give this one a go. This is exciting. Oh, definitely worth the wait for this product. Well, I should probably not tear up the instructions on the back of the box. So we have the little razor here. Oh, well, I don't really need instructions, but yeah, it's just a little blade, pretty sharp. I'm excited that it comes with its own little pouch for safety. Yeah, a little safety pouch. Great product. Love that. Okay, love that for me. Okay, next up from Star Skin VIP, the Gold Mask Eye Revitalizing Luxury Gold Foil Eye Masks. Yes. Clearly I need some kind of eye mask because my under eyes seem to be very dry. Don't know why, but very, very dry. Can't wait to try these. Next up we have this here from Spotlight. It's a highlighter pencil. Here is the pencil. And here, oh, that was creamy. Here's the highlight. I feel like this would go really well as like maybe a brow highlight. Yes, love. Okay, great, great. Here we have a blush from Lottie London. Super fun. Here it is, super pretty. Bright and vibrant, perfect for the summer and the spring. Can't wait to play with that. And then, let's see, the last product is from Elemis, the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, Skin Energizing Cleanser, Anti-Aging. And that, my friends, is everything. I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. As always, you know I love to hear them. And thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!